Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to easily resize images in Canva the right way so your designs always look sharp, balanced, and professional. Whether you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or business flyer, knowing how to resize images properly is an absolute game changer. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a quick pro tip to make your image alignment perfect every single time. Let's dive right in. First, open your Canva dashboard and select the design you want to work on. This could be any type of project, a presentation, social media post, or banner. Once it's open, click on the image you want to resize. As soon as you select the image, you'll notice small white circles, also known as resizing handles, appear around the edges and corners. These are what you'll use to adjust your image size. Now, here's an important tip. If you want to keep your image looking natural and not stretched or squashed, always resize using the corner handles. Simply hover over a corner until your cursor turns into a double-headed arrow, then click and drag in or out. This keeps your image's proportions perfect while changing its size. If you drag from the side handles instead, the image can distort, so it's best to stick with the corners unless you intentionally want that stretched look. Once your image is resized, you might want to make sure it's perfectly aligned within your design. To do that, go to the top menu, click File, then choose View Settings. Here, turn on Rulers, Guides, and Grids. These tools are super helpful for aligning your image exactly where you want it, especially if you're working on a detailed layout or collage. Take a moment to move your image around and use those guidelines to make sure everything looks neat and balanced. When you're happy with how it looks, step back and review your design. Check how the resized image fits with the other elements like text, icons, or background shapes. The goal is to make sure the overall design feels clean, centered, and visually appealing. And that's it. Your image is resized, aligned, and ready to go. So there you have it. Resizing images in Canva is super simple once you know where to look and which handles to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Canva and design tips, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover advanced resizing techniques next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.